Many people enjoy bread. It's a staple in many diets around the world, and it comes in countless varieties, from white and whole grain to rye and sourdough. But if you have diabetes, you need to be careful about the type of bread you eat. The wrong choice can lead to spikes in your blood sugar levels, which can be harmful over time. Choosing the right bread is important for managing your blood sugar levels. It's not just about taste, it's about making a choice that supports your health. This guide will help you understand which breads are best for diabetes. We'll explore the different types of bread and what makes some better than others for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Not all breads are created equal. Some are made with refined grains that can cause rapid increases in blood sugar, while others are made with whole grains that have a more gradual effect. Some breads can cause your blood sugar to spike, while others have a more gradual effect. Understanding these differences is key to making smart choices. By understanding the different types of bread and their impact on blood sugar, you can make healthier choices. This knowledge empowers you to enjoy bread without compromising your health. This guide will provide information on whole grains, the glycemic index, and fiber content. These factors all play a role in how bread affects your blood sugar. It will also recommend specific types of bread that are good for people with diabetes. You'll learn which breads to look for and which to avoid. Remember, managing diabetes involves making informed food choices. It's about understanding how different foods affect your body and making decisions that support your health. Choose breads that support your health goals. With the right information, you can enjoy delicious bread while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. A common myth is that people with diabetes should avoid bread altogether. This is not true. Bread can still be a part of your diet if you make the right choices. You can still enjoy bread as part of a healthy diet if you have diabetes. The key is to be mindful of the type of bread you are consuming and how it fits into your overall meal plan. The key is to choose the right types of bread. Whole grain and multigrain breads are excellent options because they contain more nutrients and fiber compared to refined breads. Instead of focusing on avoiding bread, focus on the type of bread you consume. Look for labels that say 100% whole grain or whole wheat to ensure you're getting the best nutritional value. Some breads are made with refined grains that have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber. These types of bread, like white bread, can cause your blood sugar to spike quickly. These breads can cause your blood sugar to spike. This is because refined grains are digested quickly, leading to rapid increases in blood sugar levels. However, other breads are made with whole grains and are packed with nutrients and fiber. Whole grain breads are digested more slowly, which helps to maintain stable blood sugar levels. These breads have a more gradual effect on blood sugar and can be part of a healthy diet for people with diabetes. Including whole grain bread in your meals can provide you with essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Remember, not all bread is bad. By making informed choices, you can enjoy bread without compromising your health. Choose wisely and enjoy it in moderation. Pair your bread with protein and healthy fats to further stabilize your blood sugar levels and make your meals more satisfying. Understanding the difference between whole grains and refined grains is crucial for managing diabetes. This knowledge can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Whole grains are the complete grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. These components work together to provide a host of health benefits. They are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, while vitamins and minerals support various bodily functions. Refined grains, on the other hand, have had the bran and germ removed during processing, stripping them of valuable nutrients and fiber. This process leaves behind the starchy endosperm, which lacks the nutritional richness of whole grains. White bread is an example of a refined grain product. It may taste soft and appealing, but it doesn't offer the same health benefits as whole grain bread. Consuming refined grains can lead to blood sugar spikes and increase the risk of health problems. These spikes can cause energy crashes and make it harder to manage diabetes effectively. Choosing whole grain bread over refined grain bread is a simple yet effective way to improve your diet and manage your blood sugar levels. Whole grains provide a steady release of energy, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing cravings. Look for breads labeled 100% whole wheat or 100% whole grain to ensure you're making the healthier choice. Reading labels carefully can help you avoid products that only appear to be whole grain but are actually refined. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your health. From breakfast to dinner, there are countless ways to enjoy whole grains and reap their benefits. The glycemic index, or GI, measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar level. Foods with a high GI are rapidly digested and cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, which can be problematic for individuals with diabetes. Low GI foods, on the other hand, are digested more slowly and cause a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. For diabetes management, choosing low GI foods is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. When choosing bread, opt for varieties with a lower GI, such as whole grain, sprouted grain, or sourdough bread. These breads have a less dramatic impact on blood sugar compared to white bread or other refined grain breads. Section 5. The power of fiber, a blood sugar regulator. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, making it an essential nutrient for individuals with diabetes. Dietary fiber is the indigestible part of plant foods that adds bulk to your diet and slows down digestion. When you eat high-fiber foods like whole grain bread, the fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar and promotes more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Aim to consume adequate fiber daily by choosing high-fiber breads, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Not only does fiber help regulate blood sugar, but it also promotes digestive health, helps you feel fuller for longer, and can contribute to weight management. Section 6. Best bread choices for diabetes management. When it comes to choosing bread for diabetes management, several options are considered healthier choices. These breads are typically lower in glycemic index, higher in fiber, and more nutrient-dense compared to refined white bread. First, we have whole grain bread. Look for breads labeled 100% whole wheat or 100% whole grain, ensuring that whole grains are the first ingredient listed. Whole grain bread provides more fiber and nutrients compared to refined bread. Next, sprouted grain bread. Sprouted grain breads are made from grains that have begun to sprout, which can enhance nutrient availability and digestibility. They tend to have a lower glycemic index and higher fiber content. Section 7. Portion control and label reading. Practical tips. Choosing healthier bread options is an excellent first step, but portion control and careful label reading are equally important for managing blood sugar levels. Even with nutritious choices, overconsumption can still lead to blood sugar fluctuations. Practice portion control when consuming bread. Pay attention to the serving size listed on the bread's nutrition label and stick to one serving. Using smaller plates or measuring bread can help with portion control. Become familiar with reading nutrition labels. Look for breads that are low in total carbohydrates, particularly sugars, and high in dietary fiber. The first ingredient listed should always be a whole grain. Section 8. Exploring alternative grains beyond bread. While bread can certainly be part of a healthy diet for individuals with diabetes, consider exploring alternative grains for variety and added nutritional benefits. Many grains can be incorporated into meals and offer unique flavors and textures. Quinoa is a complete protein and a good source of fiber. It can be used as a base for breakfast bowls, salads, or as a side dish. Brown rice is another nutritious option that is less processed than white rice and contains more fiber. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. Experiment with different grains to find your favorites and enjoy a diverse and healthy diet. Section 9. Seeking personalized advice, your healthcare team. While this guide provides general information and tips for choosing bread for diabetes management, it is essential to remember that individual needs can vary. Seeking personalized advice from your healthcare team is crucial for developing a meal plan that meets your specific requirements. Consult a registered dietitian or a certified diabetes educator for tailored guidance. They can assess your dietary needs, consider any existing health conditions, and help you create a meal plan that aligns with your preferences and health goals. Remember, managing diabetes effectively involves a multifaceted approach that includes informed food choices, regular physical activity, medication adherence if prescribed, and ongoing support from healthcare professionals.